You might notice that it's very windy. Today's Thursday and tomorrow we're supposed to have really bad storms. So the timing is not great for putting up a Christmas tree out here. I'm really gonna have to tie it down. Let's see if we can get it standing up. Patch. Good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? I put these up here to grab some sun. Of course, I didn't know about the bad storm. And so I am going to actually put them back down here tomorrow, for tomorrow night. Oops, and I may roll the lettuce cart into the garage. It's really heavy though. I've probably mentioned before that I don't love wind, and my plastic is blown all over, and I've got some cleanup to do on the porch. But with this wind, I'm not sure this is the best day to put the garland on the railing, you know. Tomorrow night is the big storm, so you know I'm just gonna have to be late. I'm always late. Oh golly, I just don't want to put everything up and get it all blown off, you know. I've got the trees all lit. I kept the Christmas lights on all 4 of the maple trees all year. I put plastic on those pansies 2 nights in a row. I thought they were done for. They bounced back in the sun today. They're just amazing. So I've got to get the chairs put back and some other stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, and don't think you can't do something. You probably can if you just figure out a way. And oh my golly, it's really disheartening. Let me show you the streaks in the sky. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.